In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get custom PowerPoint themes for free. Now, if we go to the Design tab, we can see that these are kind of the default PowerPoint themes. There is quite a few to choose from, but if you want something else, you're going to have to make it yourself or download it from the website I'm about to show you. So, if we go ahead and go to SlidesCarnival.com, I'll add a link to the description below. This website has all kinds of themes that will work on PowerPoint as well as Google Slides, and they're separated by categories. So let's just go ahead and select one of these. Simple. And so I'm going to select one that I like. So in the event I like this one, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click preview and download. And as you can see, it'll give you a preview of what the PowerPoint will look like. And if you like what you see, go ahead and click download as PowerPoint template. And once that downloads, you're going to go ahead and open it up and click enable editing. And then you'll be able to edit the information in these slides to whatever you want. Now, one caveat to this is you can't download one of these themes and apply it to an existing PowerPoint you have. You have to just download it and edit what it has in there. And for some of these PowerPoint templates, you're going to need to download some fonts if you want to use the exact same fonts that the template's using. If you don't mind switching up the fonts a little bit, then you don't have to do that. And as you can see, all these slides are here, and if I need more of a specific type of slides, I can always copy and paste more in there. Or if I need to remove slides that I don't need or don't like, I can simply delete it. So that's how you get custom themes for PowerPoint. This also works on Google Slides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. If not, thank you for watching.